7 Health benefits of using aloe vera on your skin. It should no longer be news to your ears that your potted house plant, aloe vera, can be beneficial to you apart from decorating your apartment. Because if you have been paying attention, you would have noticed that it is a common ingredient in consumer products like beverages, drugs, used to combat constipation, cosmetics, soaps, shampoos, moisturizes, etc. What is aloe vera? Aloe vera is an evergreen perennial plant that is cultivated for agricultural, medicinal, and ornamental purposes. The plant can be grown indoors inside the comfort of a house or apartment in pots. You might even decide to allocate a space for it in your balcony or veranda to increase the amount of sunlight it receives per day. The aloe vera plant is made up of 2 parts, the gel and the latex. In this piece, the focus would be on the gel because it is the part that is of benefit to your skin. It is the same reason why manufacturers include it as an ingredient in their skincare products. You might not be so lucky to have access to an aloe vera gel product. Not to worry, there's an alternative for you. The way out is if you grow aloe vera plants in your house or know someone that does. If you do, extract the gel that performs the magic on the skin by following these 6 simple steps. A. Examine the plant and search out the fatter leaves. B. Once that is settled, cut off the leaves from the plant. C. Walk to your kitchen to pick up a knife and use it to detach the thorns on the leaf away from it. D. Next, place your knife on the leaf and cut it into 2. You would notice that there is a gel inside. E. Return back to your kitchen to pick a spoon and use it to remove the gel. It is advised that the gel is placed inside a bowl. F. Store your gel for future use by refrigerating it. But if you are too busy to carry out these steps due to work or school or any other reason, then it's advised you walk down to the market or local supermarket and purchase an aloe vera gel product. These are the 7 reasons aloe vera is beneficial to your skin. 1. Moisturizes your skin. If you are a regular user of moisturizing products, and if you are not, there's no need for a fuss because you are not missing out too much. You might have noticed that moisturizers tend to leave a greasy film on the skin whenever it is applied. But this is not the case when you use aloe vera gel. Apart from treating your dry skin, the gel works further by softening the outer layer and cleaning off any dirt that might be on the skin. Another newsworthy info is that hair beauticians and barbers are beginning to use aftershave products that have aloe vera gel as one of their ingredients. Why is this so? This is not an unfounded question if you ask it. The answer is because the gel treats burns that might arise from razor cuts. 2. Treats your wounds. It is highly advised that you stop by at the pharmacy today on your way back home to purchase an aloe vera gel product if you have a wound on your skin and want to see it disappear soon. Because the gel helps to ward off cuts, burns, or any form of injury away from your skin and restore it to its former state. One good thing about the gel is that it cuts back on the time taken for wounds to heal. Moreover, if you apply the gel regularly on your skin, then you would discover that your skin cells are reproducing. Isn't that good news? It sure is. You have aloe vera gel to be grateful to for the good deed. 3. Exfoliates your skin. Before you read on, you would agree that it is best that we know what exfoliation means. At least it gives you an idea of what is being said. According to the English dictionary, exfoliation is the removal of the layer of skin, as in cosmetic preparation. Now let's move on to the juicy part of the story. Aloe vera gel is composed of salicylic acid, the same acid that is used in the production of aspirin and other industrial chemicals. The function of the acid is to wipe off dead skin cells still attached to the skin's surface. Do you know what would happen if the dead skin cells are not removed? Here is what: the skin becomes dull in appearance. That is not all. If this dullness is allowed to persist, then the skin wouldn't be able to absorb essential nutrients needed for its development. 4. Reduces the risk of your skin becoming infected. If you have been attentive, you might have probably guessed this point. Applying aloe vera gel on your skin helps it to fight off unwanted friends like acne, which is caused by bacterial infection. What makes the aloe vera gel superior to other treatments is the fact that it doesn't cause any damage to the skin's surface in the process of fighting off any infection. You should be happy to hear this news that the gel is made up of some polymers. These polymers play a key role in the birth of new cells. 5. Treats your sunburn. This is the part where some of you might have been waiting for. You don't have any wounds on your skin. Neither do you have any skin infection. You are more concerned with finding a solution for your sunburn. Here is the good news. Aloe Vera gel can treat your sunburn. How does the gel achieve this? You might ask. It is because of the cooling properties present inside the gel. Whenever you apply the gel across your skin's surface, a protective layer is formed on it. This layer keeps your skin safe from the harmful effects of inflammation and helps to conserve the moisture on it. 6. Keeps your skin from aging. You might have been wondering why your favorite actress or celebrity doesn't seem to look old even though they are already advanced in age. Wonder no more. You have probably stumbled on their secret. Aloe Vera gel. The gel is composed of vitamin C and E. These nutrients have anti-aging properties embedded inside them. The nutrients also fight against the activities of microorganisms on the skin. For those of you who have dark spots on your faces, you can apply the gel to eliminate the spots. 7. Helps your skin fight irritation. If your skin sometimes itches or irritates you, then it is probably due to a viral infection. There is a way out for you. Can you guess the answer? Let me give you a clue. It starts with the letter A and ends with an A. Just kidding. Aloe Vera gel is composed of the acemannan compound. This compound helps to fight against skin irritation and itching. Until next time, thank you for watching.